So just about every single house has sold like that in this neighborhood. Let's see if we can do it again. I'm gonna take you out back, but first I wanna show you where you can park all your toys. And what I love about this backyard is it's almost 100% fenced if you wanted a full, huge, fenced-in backyard. Now to the good stuff. So if you want your own fireplace, we got you. And right off the fireplace is a fantastic open concept kitchen. I love the layout of this home, and I love the hardwood floor in the foyer. That is fantastic. With just some minor touches, you could move right in, a little paint, a little here and there, and you can make this home your dream home. So let's just talk about what this home features in Sheffield Village. Number one, the location is amazing. You can literally get to the freeway in a minute, and you have so much around you. You've got gyms, you've got stores, you've got everything you need, as well as a 4-bedroom, and you have 2.5 bathroom home with a finished basement. And check out your huge master bedroom. Large walk-in closet, and your very own ensuite. Oh, wow. Okay, so like I said, finished basement. You could put a media room down here. There could be another office down here. Over here, you've got a great area for a gym or storage. Fantastic. So if you want to put your last little touches on this home, all you have to do is pick the paint and move your furniture in. Reach out to us today.